Comfortable going to work out inside a gym, we have a solution for you. Maggie Downey from Personal Euphoria is here to explain how you can create your own gym right at home, even if you're on a tight budget.
We need is your body and some space. You want a clear space because we know any obstacle gets in the way of a good workout. But on a minimal budget, you can get a few items and it makes the workout a lot more fun and enables you to throw in variety. And so if you get those, you'll also be more likely to do your workout. So what I would always recommend starting with is a basic yoga mat, right? Because it provides some padding, so it's going to make the workout more comfortable. And it also helps you from slipping and sliding on whatever surface you're on. So it serves two purposes. You want to get about a 1/4 inch thick mat. If it's thinner than that, you don't get the padding, and if it's thicker, it ends up stretching and you slide a little bit. Then, if you like resistance training, of course you can invest in a bunch of weights, but weights can get expensive, and what weight should you get? It's different for everybody. If you buy a Flexband, they'll run you about $15 to $20, and you can build up by tightening the band, and so you can always give yourself more tension. And the bands are really versatile, so they can do leg work, they can do arm work, you can do so much with them. If you struggle on ab exercises, the bands can help you. They will come with latex on them, so if you have a latex allergy, you need to make sure you get latex-free. But the brand Flexband is great, and a blue or green band will serve most people, but the colors don't align for every maker of every Flexband. So read what you want. Medium weight to a light heavy weight is pretty good for most people. Then, of course, you could get a large stability ball. You could sit on that at your home office now and work out on that. Super versatile. That should be about $40 just to make sure if you get a large stability ball that you go for burst proof. Don't get a cheaper ball if it doesn't say burst proof. You want to be safe on that ball. Then we have stability balls in all sorts of sizes. So you could get a 9-inch stability ball. They have 10 inches, 12 inches, and these can incorporate a lot of fun movements to your workout. You can get extra challenge or extra support and incorporate some really good stretches. And then finally, if you don't love resistance training, but you want like a smooth, fluid movement, they have what are called sliding discs. And you can put your feet or your hands on these and do really fluid movements. And these too will also be about $15 or $20. You'll find all sorts of products, but generally, if you go for the Gaiam, Flexband, Marathon Health and Fitness, or Yoga Tune-Up, you'll be getting a good quality product that would be safe for your body.
Thank you, Maggie.